So January 2021, I just picked up this 1990 Bridgestone MB3. Looks to be maybe about a 18-inch, maybe 19-inch frame. $100 offer up. Looks like it's been sitting out in the rain for a while. It's missing the brake levers. It's got the Ritchie Force original handlebars. Got the Ritchie stem still. Front wheel is not original. The back is the Ritchie Vantage. Dior DX rear derailleur. Dior front cranks. Dior front derailleur. It's actually not that bad of shape. Frame looks straight, no dings, no bends. I think I might even be able to salvage that paint. Maybe throw clear on it. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. Yeah, pretty cool. I sold that last MB3 that I had. Kind of regretted that, so this one popped up. So I jumped on it. Alright. So I'm about to spray the MB3 Bridgestone. I scuffed it all down with a green Scotch-Brite pad. I lightly sanded the rust spots, and I think it should come out all right. But just use this gloss black. Then I'm planning on spraying some metallic blue, kind of give it a little sparkle, and then shoot a clear immediately after that. I masked off all the original decals because they were in good condition. I think it'll turn out all right. See how this goes. So I just sprayed some clear, and if you can see, I dusted the metallic blue over the black. So here's the final finish of the 1990 Bridgestone MB3. Under the fluorescent light, you can see the metallic blue dusting that I put on there over the gloss black. All rattle can, and final was the clear coat, Krylon or Rust-Oleum brand. I think it came out pretty nice. This is a bike check of a 1990 Bridgestone MB3 comp. This is the bike that had a stuck seat post and had to cut out with a 12-inch Sawzall blade. I equipped it with full XTR, 1992 XTR derailleurs, cantilever brakes. Even the pads are XTR. Got some cool pedals from another project. It came with the Shimano DX flat pedals. I've got those. It's got XTR trigger shifters and brake levers. The Ritchie Logic fork. These are Ritchie Force flat bars that I extended an extra 2 inches, so they're about 2 feet wide now. Some Vans Colt grips. It was originally black. I painted it black, rattle can, and I misted some metallic blue over it, and then I cleared it. Same with the stem, chromoly stem, and the handlebars. This is a specialized seat that I've had. I keep switching from bike to bike because I don't have that many cool seats. These are 26 by 2.1 Kenda craniums. They are actually pretty nice. They got some decent traction. And I think that's about it. Oh, it's got the XTR hubs. It's got XTR front and rear hubs with an XTR 7-speed rear cassette. The rims, the hoops are Matrix Track. They're a Trek brand. and that's where I sourced all the XTR parts from a nice XTR full suspension 1992 bike that I had bought just for the components. So first time out on the trail, it feels really great, you know, which Bridgestone MBs, early MBs don't, right? And I think the bottom bracket is also it's the one that came on that Trek. It's with the XTR package. I'm not sure which one it was. A UN 6251. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But hope you guys are out enjoying the trails. Cool.